Today is Hero Dogs Open House. We're really happy to go because we're going to see Calvin's breeders, Mario and Betty. We're going to see Ethel and Maverick, our veteran team. And just a bunch of other people that we don't always get to see all the time. And a bunch of people we do get to see all the time. Right, Cal? Lots of fun activities. So yeah, we're excited to go to the open house. It's like our Hero Dogs party of the year. So, yeah, it'll be a lot of dogs, a lot of fun. So we're headed there now. See you there. Oh, Calvin! There he is!
You're a wild child, kiddo.
You are so happy to be here.
What are you doing?
He hasn't been here in ages. He was so excited. He was dragging you up the driveway. Look at you.
Wow.
He just loves coming here. I can tell
certainly
him.
does.
You cannot have his lunch. No, you can't. That's not what a good therapy dog should do.
Yes, oh my
How are
goodness.
you guys doing? We're so happy to see you got your certificate, your title. What a good boy you are.
CGC next, right?
Yeah, that's next couple weeks we're going to try.
Good.
These dogs are cared for 24/7 by their puppy raisers, and our puppy raisers are the most dedicated group of volunteers that anyone could ever have. They put up with nights of crying and potty training and chewing on humans and chewing on shoes and chewing on everything in the house. They come to class every week for 18 months. They come to class every week with their puppies. They've trained their puppies at home. We go on field trips together. They go out and about in the community every day with their puppies. And our puppy raisers are Hero Dogs' best ambassadors, being out in the community with their puppies, representing Hero Dogs, and they teach people every day about what we do and why we do it. And they love that puppy, and then 18 months later, they turn around and they give that puppy up for someone else. So thank you, puppy raisers, for everything that you do. Jeremiah he's working on some retrieving, so he's gonna retrieve the keys and the phone. Oh, there they went. Good. Now somebody's playing with you. Good boy. Good Jeremiah. That's a boy. Good boy. So he's pressing a door button at an automatic door.
Say hello.
Atta boy. Good boy. And then waiting patiently is about 90% of a service dog's job. So learning to go and settle on your mat and hang out.
Calvin, you do that too. So.
It's hot. That a boy. Good boy. Murphy's going to pick up a crutch for us. Murph, you going to retrieve a crutch for us? We're hot and tired. And we're puppies. Don't forget we're puppies. There's a boy, Murphy. Good boy. All right, now Ruby's going to take off a sock.
You can't go in the shade. Come here.
That a girl, good girl. Boomer's going to take off a jacket. He's going to unzip and take off a jacket. Come on, Boomy.
It's like, oh, that's why she's wearing a jacket.
Yeah, she must be hot.
Good boy. Yeah, a boy, Boomer, good boy.
Come on, mate.
Come on, yeah.
Good boy. Amber and York are going to go shopping, so Amber's going to pay with the credit card, and York is going to carry the groceries. Amber, get the credit card, bring it over to the chair, and pay. And York, you bring the groceries to the register. Good girl. Attaboy, York. Good boy. Good puppy. Jack, where's Jack? Jack is going to help out with some mobility work. So Jan's going to be walking with Jack, and then she's going to stumble, and Jack's going to catch her.
York enjoys it.
Attaboy, Jack. Yeah, and then he's going to brace, and she's going to go down to the ground and back up again. That's a good pony boy, good boy. Annie is going to alert to some physical cues. Good girl. So when Moira starts cracking her knuckles, atta girl, jump up on her when she wrings her neck. Do your hands again. I'm not sure everybody caught what you were doing. Good girl, Annie.
Last year at the open house, he was a little he had like just got
The first team to get 6 ducks in their bucket wins. You're ready? Ready? Go! Take it. Good boy, go!
Oh no, he dropped it.
Hold it. Good. Hold it. Come on, man. Take your time. Take it.
Alright, Cal, come on. Ready? This way. Cal.
Calvin.
All done. Hop. Good boy.
Good boy. Easy. Hi. I'm still here.
Nobody knows how much I love you.